Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. We are still on Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. Bongani Ntanzi has been identified as one of the two intruders who allegedly entered the Khumalo house in Vosloorus, where the South African Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Meyiwa was fatally shot on the 26th October 2014. Because of this, his defense must definitely work very hard to convince the state of Bongani's innocence. Almost 9 years ago, the court is still struggling to get the killer. The scary part of the whole thing is that some innocent people may end up sentenced and going to rot in jail when the real killer is out there enjoying his life. In June 2020, after Bongani Ntanzi was arrested and taken, the real statement, Magistrate Vivian Cronje was later asked to conduct a confession statement on Bongani Ntanzi, which today Judge Ratha and the court are using to determine if the real statement was taken freely and voluntarily, to determine if Bongani Ntanzi was not forced or tortured or threatened by anyone when he gave his real statement. After Magistrate Cronje has informed the court she has even recorded her interaction with Ntanzi, the defense as well as Ntanzi's lawyer, Advocate Thulani Mgomezulu, argued that the court not to admit the audio recording as evidence due to the manner in which it was obtained, including the fact that Cronje had not informed anyone at the time that she was recording the statement. The court was adjourned until Friday, 20th October 2023. This morning, when Judge Ratha announced his ruling that the audio recording made by Magistrate Cronje is inadmissible as evidence, the audio recording will be excused from evidence, the defense was over the moon. This was a fair ruling indeed. For the mere fact that the recording was made without the suspect's consent, it would be unfair to him. Let's watch this clip where Judge Ratha is giving a ruling on the audio recording.
But in this case, I want the view that the accused number two's rights to a trial, to a fair trial, were infringed by the making of the audio recording by the Magistrate Cronje. And consequently, as from the time the accused number two's rights were infringed in that manner, this court doesn't have to speculate that perhaps the accused number two would have later said he doesn't mind that these Section 217 proceedings were recorded. But this court is enjoined to declare evidence which was acquired unconstitutionally to be inadmissible, as I'm doing about the very recorder of the Section 217 interview from its beginning to its end. Because if this court allowed such an egregious flouting and flagrant flouting of accused number two's constitutional rights in terms of Section 35(5), it would not be in the interest of justice to do so, because accused number two would then be continuously subjected to a trial unfairly, when we know that the Constitution engages us and enjoins us to prevent such an exigency. And also, in the view of this court, that would bring the administration of justice into disrepute. Consequently, this court rules that the audio recording should not form part of these proceedings. It is inadmissible. Okay.
Family, at least the presence of Advocate Tulani Mgomezulu has brought, a different direction to this case, a different mood to this case. We see Judge Ratha, at least the ones agreeing with the defense, Judge Ratha ruling against Advocate Baloyi. Let's hope this will continue until they get a solution to this case, until the real killer is arrested. Thank you, family, for watching this video to this point. Please like it. Before you leave, subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so. I love you, family. Bye. See you on my next upload.